Hi, this is Savio Rodriguez of the BJP. The Goa government has given its consent to constitute a special technical team to investigate the irregularities in the allocation of an over Rs. 50 crore contract to a private company for the renovation of the Kala Academy without a tender. The Directorate of Vigilance pointed out certain irregularities and recommended the constitution of a special technical team. The people of Goa need to know whether this decision, as was told by the minister to the media, was taken by the cabinet to allot work without a tender and through a nomination process, or was it a decision of the minister alone? Either way, it is important that the people of Goa know why was an over Rs. 50 crore project given without a tender.